Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete all emails on Gmail. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you have to do is simply go ahead and open up your Gmail app right over there. And then from this section, what you're going to do is simply gonna go ahead and select the emails that you would like to delete. So I'm going to long press on the emails and you will find the select all option on the left corner. When you select all emails will be selected except the ones which are the updates, but the emails that you have received will all be selected. And now the thing that you have to remember is the limit is 50 in select all. So what you need to do is once you have long pressed and selected, you're gonna go ahead, select all, and then all emails will be selected. Now you can see it's showing 100. Once I have selected them, I'm gonna tap on select again. It will go 150. So every time that you tap on it, it will give you a 50 more. So you have to scroll all the way to the bottom till that selection comes off, and then you can see select all again, tap on it again. Again you have to scroll all the way to the bottom. If you have more, it will again be blank. Again tap on this check mark. Keep on doing till you have all of them selected, and then tap on delete right over there like this, and then all of the emails will be deleted like that. That's what you can do, and hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.